Are you a My Team player that needs to go 12-0, needs their domination challenges completed, or even evolve cards and more? Make sure to go hit up Rose NBA on Twitter. Link to their website will be down in the description. Are you in need of MT? Make sure to go check out mtstacks.com. Link to their website will be down in the description. By far, they're the cheapest and most reliable website in the 2K community, and if you use code JC at checkout, you will get yourself 5% off. If you need events done on your account, make sure to hit up my Twitter at JC the Shop. Link to the website will be down in the description. It literally takes me 5 to 10 minutes to do, and make sure when you do DM me that you are money ready. Hey yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy JC back here with another video for y'all today, and in this video for y'all, I have the events glitch in NBA2K21 after patch 4. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys and demonstrating how to get yourselves events clothing in NBA2K21, and as well I'll be using for the video the Gods outfit. So right here, the Basketball Gods event just dropped, so that's the event I will be using for this video. So let's get straight into it. As well, if you guys do need the files, make sure to hit me up on Twitter. I'll be selling them cheap, and as well, if you guys want me to do it for you on your own account as well, be money ready. I'll have the link to my Twitter down below. And as well, if we can hit 21,550 subscribers, I will be dropping the files down below, so make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button if you are new. But I'm going to stop talking right here. Let's get straight into things. Now, the first thing you are going to want to do is simply just load up your 2K game. Go to the main menu, and once you do that, you're going to click the home screen button, go over to settings, application, save data management. It will close the application, and right here what you're going to be doing is clicking save data in system storage and copying to USB storage device. So right here we're going to be copying the user data over, and it's going to load up. This will take about 10 seconds to do, and the next step is going to involve me being on my PC using Save Wizard. So I'll get back to you guys once I am on the Save Wizard screen. Alright, so once you guys are on your PC, you're obviously going to be opening up Save Wizard right here, and as you can see, I'll go to my Resign, it's USA, and you can see my file is already there. So what we're going to be wanting to do is obviously get our folder and get our events file and transfer them together and Resign. So how we're going to be doing this is this file right here. This is my PSN ID. Now we're going to be getting my event file, which is right here, and what we're going to be doing is dragging the numbers and dropping them into my other PSN ID. Now that's going to take a couple seconds to load right there, and once we are done with that, click settings, my saves, Resign, double tap one more time, and you'll see the new numbers come up. Now this is the events file, so what you're going to be doing is right clicking on that, clicking Resign. You're going to click OK, do not check that box, go down to your name and click apply right here. So that's what we're going to be doing, and it will load up. So this will take about 30 seconds to load in total, not too bad whatsoever. And the step we're going to be doing after this is going to NBA2K.com/account. You're going to sign in, and you're going to remove all accounts. So you click that remove all accounts button, and I'm not going to show you guys that because my email is going to be on there. But once you do remove all your accounts, then I'll be getting to the next step shortly. So the next step shortly after that is we're going to be heading back onto our PS4. So once you guys are done with removing all accounts, I'll get back with y'all in a second. Alright, so once you guys are back on your PS4, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going up to settings, and you're going to be going to application, save data management. Now make sure you have your USB plugged into your PS4 right here, as we're going to be downloading our events file back to our PS4. So we're going to be clicking save data on USB storage device, copy to system storage. As you guys can see, we have the user data right here. We're going to copy, apply to all, click yes. This will take a second to do. And what we're going to be doing next is heading on into 2K. Now the first step we're going to be doing once we are in 2K is it's going to say connection. You're going to click on connection, and you're going to type in all your information. It asks for your date of birth, and it asks for your email associated with your 2K account right here. So this is where I'm going to be skipping ahead from the screen so you guys do not see what I'm typing in for privacy issues. And once I am done with that step, I'll show you guys what to do next, because like I said, I'm just not going to be showing you guys my information, and the next step after that will help you guys out a lot with what you need to do. So I'll be back with you guys in a second. Alright, so once we are done with that step, it takes you back to the main menu screen, and what you guys are going to be doing next, to make sure that you did everything so far right is you're going to click play now, play online with friends, and right here your events should pop up on your player. Now if your player does have a brown shirt on, that means you have to redo everything, that you did everything wrong, and you're going to have to restart from the save wizard part. So you're going to have to do everything over right there. That's just a reference on how you know everything worked or not. So right there, once we know everything worked, we're going to be going to my career and we're going to be hovering over our my career file that goes directly to park. Make sure it's not a my career game. Now once we do that, we're going to go to the home screen, click on settings, go to network. Now once you're in network, you're going to hover over test internet connection. This is going to be a crucial part in the next set of steps. So we're going to double click our PS button back into 2K, and what we're going to be doing is once we click on this my career file, you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner how it loads up the percentage. Now based on your place where you live at, I live in the Eastern time zone, I'm going to have to time this up with 27%. So right in the bottom right hand corner, I see 27% on the screen. I'm going to spam into this, double click the PS button, I'm going to click test internet connection. Now when I click test internet connection, I'm waiting for it to say 3 successfuls on the screen. Once I see it say 3 successfuls, I'm going to click circle and double tap back into 2K. Now like I said, if you live somewhere else, Europe, Canada, wherever you live, it's going to be slightly different. So your house with your Wi-Fi is completely different from mine. So you're going to have a different timing. So you guys just don't freak out about it. Just you're gonna have to test this multiple times in order to find your place. Now like I said, if you guys mess up, let's just say you get an error code where it brings you to the main menu screen before you even load up into the park, that means you did it wrong. All you have to redo is just test internet connection again. You don't have to do the save wizard part. So right here, we're gonna do it for myself. I'm gonna click it and I'm gonna wait for 27% on the screen. Now you don't always get it, you have to time it right every single time. So right here we see the 27 and we're clicking test internet connection. Now we're waiting for the 3 successfuls on the screen. I'm clicking circle, I'm double tapping in after I see that. So we're waiting for the first successful right here, now the second, and now the third. So once the third does pop up, I'm going to click circle, double tap into 2K, and everything should be loading out. Now if this does work right, we're going to load up all the way into the neighborhood where you'll see your player and then the screen will back out on you. You do not want the screen to back out on you in the middle of it loading. So right there, I did it wrong and we'll have to do this again. Okay, so this time I will know it works by, we're going to be doing the same method again, just the last time I showed you guys how, if it doesn't work, you know why it doesn't work. It took me back to the main menu screen too early. So this time we're going to be doing it again and we're waiting for that crucial 27% right here. So once we do time it, we're testing our internet connection right here and we're waiting for the 3 successfuls on the screen. Now we want to make sure that once we do all this, that it takes us back into my career. We're going to go into park and it's going to load up all the way into the neighborhood and then the screen will cut out. And that's where you're just going to click your my career file once again and it will take you back into the neighborhood with the events on. So there's a lot going on here, but once you get the hang of it, it's super easy to do. It just takes a couple extra seconds. We're just hoping that it takes us all the way through the neighborhood right here. And once we do see our park player, you know this works. It will back out of us on the screen right here. And what we're going to be doing next is simply clicking on our my career file once again. So once we click on our my career file, it will just directly take us to the park and we have to do nothing else. And it's just gonna put the events on. So you're gonna have to do this every time you close your application or you turn off your PS4. So if you do want to bypass that, just never close your application. And as well, if you want to turn off your PS4, go ahead and put it in rest mode instead of turning it off fully. That will prevent it from actually taking off your clothing right there. So like I said, if you guys are still watching, thank you so much. If you guys want me doing it for you, make sure to hit me up on Twitter right here. We're loading up into the park, about to see the events. Oh my god, you already know we got the new Basketball Gods event. I got y'all with that. Like I said, if we hit 21,550 subs, I got y'all with that. And here it is, the Basketball Gods right here itself. This file is so nice. You already know we got the Basketball Gods file right here. We got the helmet. You already know I have all the other events as well. So if you guys do need these, make sure to hit me up. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this one. It's been your boy JC, and I'm out.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched